Hello viewers, welcome back to Low English Dictionary channel. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post.
When we post. Today we talk about grouped consonants, and the grouped consonants will be nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu.
Nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu.
So we'll start with nda. As usual, we shall give word and then an example, a Luo sentence with an English translation. Let's start with ndagla.
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 Chal kagima oket ne ndagla.
Chal kagima oket ne ndagla. Chal kagima oket ne ndagla.
Now ndagla is a charm. Chal kagima oket ne ndagla is, it looks like she has put a spell on him, or it looks like he has put a spell on her. So that even if she does something bad to him, even if she does something bad to him, he does not feel offended. Ndako.
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 Ndako is to do like this. To chide with the tongue. Nyathino ndaka nango.
Nyathino ndaka nango. Nyathino ndaka nango.
Ndalo.
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 Ndalo machon.
Ndalo machon.
Long time ago. Ndalo.
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 So ndalo is a garden. Garden.
A garden.
Yeah, ndalo. Adwa dhi ndalo komo njugu.
Adwa dhi ndalo komo njugu. Njugu. Adwa dhi ndalo komo njugu.
And that means I want to go to the garden to plant some groundnuts.
Yeah.
Ndamo.
Ndamo.
Ondamo.
Ondamo.
Go ondamo maduong ikal pigno.
Go ondalo maduong ikao pigno.
Go ondamo maduong.
Go ondamo maduong
Ikal pigno.
ikal pigno.
So that means make a big step. Ondamo is a step. So make a big step so that you can pass that water puddle. Okay. Nde.
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 Nde is to snap. Like if you have a stick and you break it and it snaps. It snaps in nde.
Nde.
So you say yeno otur ma oyuak ni nde.
Yeno otur ma oywak ni nde.
Stick broke and it made a sound nde.
Nde.
Okay? But yuak is also cry in English. So you can translate it as two meanings. Ndemo.
Nemo.
Ndemo.
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 Ndemo is to walk quickly. Nyathino ndemo wouth ni odhi kanye.
Nyathino ndemo wouth ne odhi kanye.
Nyathino ndemo wouth ni odhi kanye.
Nyathino ndemo wouth ni odhi kanye.
So that means, why is that child walking quickly? Where is he headed to? Ndendere.
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 Ndendere is swollen legs. If a lady is pregnant, they usually have some swollen legs caused by poor circulation of blood. Nyar malo tiende otimo ndendere.
Nyar maro tiende.
Nyar malo.
Nyar malo
Tiende otimo.
ndendere.
Tiende otimo ndendere.
Tiende otimo ndendere.
Chal ni oting'o wuoyi e iye.
Chal ni oting'o wuoyi e iye.
So we're saying that nyar malo has swellings on the legs. It seems she's pregnant and the child is a boy. Chal ni oting'o wuoyi e iye means it looks like she's carrying a boy in the stomach, okay? Nyar malo tiende otimo ndendere.
Nyar malo tiende otimo ndendere.
Chal ni oting'o wuoyi e iye.
Chal ni oting'o wuoyi e iye.
Ndeng.
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 Ndeng is to drop, okay? Pi ndeng kawuok ewi tado. Pi ndeng kawuok ewi tado.
Pi ndeng kawuok ewi tado.
So that means water is dropping from the roof. Ndeng'o.
Ndeng'o.
Ndeng'o wach.
Ndeng'o wach.
Ndeng'o wach.
Ndeng'o wach.
Ndeng'o wach is to talk a lot.
Talk a lot.
So nyiri tinde gi. Nyiri matindegi.
Nyiri matindegi.
Ndeng'o wach.
Ndego wach.
Chal mana.
Chal mana.
Nyakalondo.
Nyakalondo.
Nyiri matindegi ndeng'o wach.
Nyiri matindeni ndengo wach.
Chal mana nyakalondo.
Chal mana nyakalondo.
The girls nowadays, they talk a lot like radios. And nyakalondo is a radio. Then we move on to ndi.
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 Ndim.
Ndim.
Ndim is lime. You know lime?
Lemon.
Lime.
Lemon.
Lime or lemon. Whichever.
Lemon. Lemon. They're two different.
Nyuka ma onud kod ndim.
Nyuka ma onud kod ndim.
Ema mit madho okinyi.
Ema mit madho okinyi.
Nyuka ma onud kod ndim.
Nyuka ma onud kod ndim.
Ema mit madho okinyi.
Ema mit madho okinyi.
That means porridge that is prepared in the morning using lime, lemon,
Lemon.
is very sweet. It's the one that is sweet in the morning. Ndira.
Ndira.
Ndira is dysentery. It's a disease called dysentery. Ndira. Tuo mar ndira.
Tuo mar ndira.
Nyoro ogoye.
Nyoro ogoye.
So he suffered dysentery yesterday. Tuo mar ndira nyoro ogoye.
Tuo mar ndira nyoro ogoye.
After this, look at the dictionary. What dysentery? Ndisruok.
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 That's competence. Well dressed. Like if you well dressed, we say indisori.
Indisori.
Okay. Nyigwasi ndisoga kitenge kagidhi e wuoth. Nyigwasi.
Nyigwasi.
Ndisoga kitenge.
Ndisoga kitende.
Kagidhi e wuoth.
Kagidhi e wuoth.
Nyigwasi ndisoga kitenge.
Nyigwasi ndisoga kitenge.
Kagidhi e wuoth.
Kagidhi e wuoth.
So what does that mean?
The girl.
Gwasi.
Gwasi.
They look very neat in their dress.
When they are walking.
When they are going for a wouth. Wouth is a not like wouth is a journey.
A walking.
Wouth is a journey.
A walking.
Okay.
A journey.
Ndisi.
Ndisi.
Ndisi is a creepy plant. Ndisi. Adwa tiyo kod ndisi.
Adwa tiyo kod ndisi.
Etweyo osigo nane.
Etweyo osigo nani.
Adwa tiyo kod ndisi.
Adwa tiyo kod ndisi.
Etweyo osigo nani.
Etweyo osigo go nani.
So this is a creeping plant that can be used for tying, like a rope. So someone is saying, I want to use this plant for tying this luggage. Ndo.
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 Ndong.
Ndong.
Ndong is to drip. Ndong. Ndeng was drop.
Ndong.
Ndong is to drip. Okay?
Ndeng.
And
Ndong.
if you want to know drip, you know when you have a tap and it's not closed properly, usually there is a small drops.
Drops of water.
Ndochro.
Ndochro.
Ne adwa modho pi.
Ne adwa modho pi.
To ayudo ka otimo ndochro.
To ayudo ka otimo ndochro.
Now ndochro are those, you see when you have water and there is something suspended on top of the water. Something like a dirty, some grass or something.
A jam.
Not jam, but just grass, or if maybe something was suspended on top.
Oil.
Anything that is suspended on top of water that you wanted to drink, we call that thing ndochro.
Ndochro.
Ndongo.
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 Nyarkindu.
Nyarkindu.
Tinde ndongo sabun e chiro ma awasi.
Tinde ndong masabun e chiro ma awasi.
Yes, that means ndongo is to sell in retail, like to sell in small quantities. So if you're buying something is in large quantities and then you're selling in small quantities, we say indongo.
Indongo.
Okay, that means you're selling in small quantities. Ndoro wang.
Ndoro wang.
Ndoro wang.
Ndoro wang.
Ndoro wang is the eyeballs. Okay, so these are the ndoro wang, the eyeballs. Ndoro wang.
Ndoro wang.
The last part is ndu.
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 Ndudi.
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 Ndudi are hips. Ochoko chilo e ndudi obiro wang'o bang'e.
Ochoko chilo e ndundi obiro wang'o bande.
Ochoko chilo e ndudi.
Ochoko chilo endundi.
Obiro wang'o bang'e.
Obiro wang'o bang'e.
He's collecting garbage in heaps. He will burn them up.
In piles.
Ndulme. Yes, piles too. Ndulme.
Ndulume.
Ndulme.
Ndulme.
Ndulme is epilepsy. There's a disease called epilepsy. Ndulme.
Ndulme.
Tuo mar ndulme.
Tuo mar ndulme.
Medorega.
Medorega.
Ndalo ma dwe rieny.
Ndalo ma dwe rieny.
Tuo mar ndulme.
Tuo mar ndulme. Ndulme.
Tuo mar ndulme.
Tuo mar ndulme.
Medorega.
Medorega.
Ndalo ma dwe rieny.
Ndalo ma dwe rieny.
Now, epilepsy disease has been related to the moon. When there's a full moon, usually epileptic people have seizures. Okay? You can go and do research on that. And I don't know if it's true or not, but that is what people say. That tuo mandul medorega ndalo ma dwe rieny. That epilepsy is usually prevalent when there is a lot of seizure. When there's a full moon.
Increases when there is a full moon.
It increases when there's a full moon. Nduru.
Nduru.
Nduru is an alarm or an outcry. Nduru. Jokuoye ne omonjowa.
Jokuoyo ne omonjowa.
Sama ne iwinjo nduru no.
Sama iwinjo nduru no.
Jokuoyo ne omonjowa.
Jokuoyo ne omonjowa.
Sama ne iwinjo nduru no.
Sama iwinjo nduru no.
So that means that when you had the outcry, when you had that alarm, there were some thieves in our compound. Okay?
If you hear someone screaming or...
That is nduru.
Yeah.
That is scream is a nduru. Okay? Yeah. Then we look at ndoso. 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 Ndos ne nyawadu makati. Ndos ne nyawadu makati. So that means pinch off some piece of bread for your sister. Okay? Ndos ne nyawadu makati.
Ndos ne mawadu nyakati.
Makati. Ndos ne nyawadu.
Ndos ne nyawadu.
Makati.
Makati.
The last one is ndunga.
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 Now there's usually some finger that comes out here.
Ndunga.
Ndunga.
Oh, this one. I have one.
Ndunga.
I have one.
That is called ndunga.
Ndunga.
So that is the sixth finger. Okay?
Mine kept on growing when I was little.
So, nyithindo ma onyuol kod ndunga.
Nyithindo ma onyuol kod ndunga.
Jabedo ga mariek.
Jabedo ga mariek.
Nyithindo ma onyuol kod dunga.
Nyithindo ma
onyuol kod dunga.
Onyuol kod ndunga.
Jabedo ga mariek.
Jabedo ga mariek.
So that they usually say that the kids born with the dunga usually are bright. They say, I don't know if it's true.
It is true.
I don't know.
It is.
So that is the end of the lesson.
I hope you enjoyed the lesson. You can follow us on our on our platform pages at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, and YouTube as Low English Dictionary. You can find our website at www.lowenglishDictionary.com. And this is November 29th.
We have 30 days.
31.
31 days to go.
32.
Whichever.
Yeah, 32
We're almost
days.
there.
Yeah.
Let's see what we've learned.
Yes.
And now we shall start live streaming.
Yes.
In future. We shall now start live streaming. If we get time, we shall be live streaming.
Yes.
Thank you for following us and you have a good day. Oriti.